Hi, everybody. My name is Chris Mitchell. I'm a managed service consultant here at ProVal Tech. Today, I wanted to do a quick video to go through a cool new feature that Backup Radar has added around client users. So it's been a long time coming, but now, starting in early September here, you can create client-facing users in your Backup Radar and give them access to view their data, run reports, and report on their data. So let's get into it. Once you log into your backup Radar portal, you'll see here that there's a bar giving you some information about that there's a new user type. If you want to follow the directions, you can click here and open it in a new tab, and it'll go through standard set of instructions. Clicking in here, we're going to hit Launch Setup. We're going to say, yep, we're going to do it now. And you're going to get another window here. So in this window, you're going to list your emails that are relevant to your company. So if you have a, in our case, ProVal Tech, or if we had like a ProVal-Tech domain, you would want to list any of the domains that are relevant to your company here. You are limited to 2. If you need more help, though, you can contact support and they will help you out with it. Click Next. And it's going to give you some information here on your different user types. So in this case, here, it's just giving you the different information on how to assign the different user types and what those roles are. So obviously, following best practice, only give the permissions that a user needs to do their job. On the next screen that comes up, you're going to want to select your users and if they should be administrators or standard users based on the definitions that were on that previous screen. Once you've selected your users, you would then click Finish. After you click Finish, you will get a screen asking you to return to your dashboard. Once you've completed that setup, you can now go back to your main settings area, your user management. You can click Client, and then you can click Create User. On the next screen, you'll click Client User, Continue, and enter your client information. Put in their email address at their domain, create a password, first name, last name, leave them in the default client group, and select their company at the bottom that they would be able to see. You can add multiple companies. So if that user does manage 2 different companies that are in your PSA, you can give them access to multiple companies. You just select the company, click Add, select the next company, and click Add. During my time of testing this, I did not receive an invitation email, but I was able to log into the Backup Radar portal with the email and the password that I created in this example. Once that client user logs in, they would be presented with a screen similar to this, which will give them a good synopsis of recent backups for today, for the week, recent success, failures, and give them reporting access, especially if they are in a regulated environment or they need to keep tabs or want to keep tabs on their backups. They would now have restricted access in order to do that the proper way. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. We'd be happy to help you configure. Have a great day. Goodbye.